Welcome again, everyone. This is an extension of an old video where we showed how to create applications using GitHub Copilot. And so, in this video, if you have not seen it, please, the link is below in the descriptions. So, please check out how to create application using GitHub Copilot. In this video, what we are going to do is do something really, really cool. That how to start developing using your own mobile. So yes, it is possible now. You don't have to even open. Means you have to keep your machine open, but you can do it with a lot of commands. But you don't have to go and code in the machine now. Okay, you can literally do it from your mobile. So suppose you want to build a small feature or update a bug, you don't have to keep come to your machine and do it. You can do it from your mobile, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So suppose so first thing is, this is a prerequisite. The older video, please check out the section where I'm showing how to create application using GitHub Copilot. It will be pretty simple. I am showing step by step how to install VS Code, Node.js, ServiceNow SDK, and you should have a GitHub Pro account to run it via remotely. Okay, so have a GitHub Pro account. It is cheaper than Cloud Code. So for me, it is $10, and Cloud Code is $20. For you, maybe it differs reason by reason. Okay, so let's start. So I already have the app open. So I created this AI agent manager Copilot app, and I also added so let's go with this document. So what I did, I created AI agent management system. All right, it has one table called AI agent, and yeah, so there is only one table basically right now. And you need a GitHub Pro account. It depends upon your, so for me it's $10, but it may depend upon your system. Okay, and next thing that you have to do is install GitHub Copilot. If you have not done it, again, I will ask you to watch the video. You can check if you have Copilot or not by, okay, I think we have to use version. Okay, so I have GitHub Copilot, as you can see. Now, for me, I've already logged in. If you have not logged in, you can just click on, type that. For me, it is there. So as you can see, yeah, it's now to connect Copilot with GitHub Copilot with ServiceNow SDK. You have to. It's a little different. So first is the same command. You have to run plugin marketplace add ServiceNow SDK. This is the marketplace that you have to add. And the second thing that you have to do is plugin install Fluent at ServiceNow. For Cloud Code is just plugin install Fluent, but here it's Fluent at ServiceNow. Okay. And in Cloud Code, it is /reload plugins, and here you can just simply say /restart. Okay, you can check the plugin list and all. Now, before we go for the remote, what you have to do is first thing that you have to do is if you have a, like, suppose you created this application. Next thing that you have to do is ask Copilot to push it to a GitHub. Okay, so it needs to be added to a GitHub repository, and for that, the best way to do it is open your GitHub account. Okay, and here create a new repository, whatever name you want to put. So you can say Copilot AI agent. All right, so you can whatever put the description, and means proper description, not this thing, Copilot agent, whatever. And you don't have to write that, and click on create repository. Okay, so I already have a repository because I tested it. Mine is also Copilot. Mine is Copilot agent. So as you can see, it has a repository already. Now the you just have to copy the link of your repository and ask Copilot to push the changes to this repo. Right, then it will basically check the Git status, if there is any changes that are needed to be pushed. And as you can see, I have 3 changes which are needed to be pushed, and then it can just want to do the build. If you are using in a prod environment, I would suggest to do the whole PR review and all. For me, it is a dev environment, so I'm just pushing it directly. All right, so as you can see, the changes have been pushed, and for first time or second time, whatever it is, it will just push it for you. Okay, so here the changes is there. Now this now suppose so this is how you connected. So this is for the connection from this to GitHub repository. This is needed. Next thing that you have to do is to make sure that, like, suppose, so there is no readme file over here. Suppose I want to create a readme means, and for that I don't want to like open this system, right? So what I can do, I can click on slash remote. This is the command that you have to run. And once you'll run slash command slash remote, so here you will notice that a new remote session has been created. Now I can, and this session you can open a browser in your system, in your like mobile. So let me just open it, new session, and I am going to write. So I'm not going to write anything over here, all right? I'm typing it on my mobile. Can you update the readme file of the repo and push it? So you'll notice that the same changes here. You see the message immediately went over here, and it is asking me a question. But also I wanted to show you over here the same changes is actually happening in the terminal. So your terminal is actually connected to this browser setting. Now I don't have to keep it open. I just want to say, what should I change? I want an overview of the app in the readme. Okay, so I updated that. Again, I'm not adding any of these things in the terminal. My terminal is connected to my and every to my mobile. So I'm basically doing everything in my mobile, and it is checking everything overview. To do the overview, it needs to first check, right, the whole application. So I think it is doing that. So whatever feels nicer for you, you can use that GitHub Copilot chat, or uh, or your mobile interface, or the terminal interface. Right now, this function is not available in the GitHub mobile application, but soon they are going to launch it over there as well. So as you can see, it has been pushed. A new README app has been README has been added, and yeah. So this is the whole overview, and let's check on the, sorry, in the repo as well. Yep, this is there. But now this is only happening in the GitHub, right? I want to do something on the application itself. It has agent types as assisted, autonomous, hybrid. I want to add a new choice which says supervised. Yeah, let's see. I want to add a new choice on super orchestrator. Orchestrator. Supervised is assisted, so orchestrator as an agent type. Okay, so here you can see it has started checking the NASDAQ explain again, and it is asking whether yes, I will allow it for this whole session. So that way I don't have to like allow it every time. I would not recommend that because it's better to see what it is doing. Certain commands is fine, but not the command that I did. Okay, allow. Okay, now it is running the build to check if it is fine or not. You can see my cursor is totally on a different place. So this added, but it is not deployed. So I am going to say, can you deploy it? Can you deploy the change and commit as well? Okay, so even deploying will not commit it to the repo. So first I'm asking it to deploy it to ServiceNow and then commit to GitHub. Okay, so it is running deploy. So once it will install the app, what will happen is app succeeded on a target in service now, and now what it is doing, it is pushing it to the repo. Okay, so let's reload this, leave the page, and the new choice should be okay. Yeah, new choice is Orchestrator, which is already here. And if I'll go and check my uh, repo, yep, 4 minutes ago. No, I think there must be a new one. Don't I think this is the new one, I guess, because it did. Yeah, it did push it. Yeah, added Orchestrator. So within the ServiceNow Fluent, yeah, now it is there. Sorry, yeah, added 1 minute ago. So as you can see, now it is connected, and you can literally means the small things. You don't have to even open your laptop for it. Let me know in comments what is the future of development.